Hi, my name is Faizel Abdul and I'm a key account manager at Mpact Waste Management. This is Pick n Pay Distribution Centre. Right, so on site we have a C9 compactor that we'll use for all our food waste diversion. And this will divert it from landfill. It will actually go to an off-site composting facility where it will be dealt with there. We also have one H25 baling machine that will bale all the cardboard that comes off of site, as well as one XT pack upright baler. That's for all our plastics that will come off the site. Over and above that, we also have about 25 wheelie bins and 15 bin trolleys that are stationed within the warehouse for easy flow of the waste coming through to the waste area. So on site we have 4 general workers as well as a site supervisor. They rotate throughout the whole distribution centre, collecting and emptying the bins. So what would happen is that go collect bins, they go collect waste. Waste is also delivered to us. Once that waste is collected or delivered, it ends up in the waste area and they sort it. The sorting process is quite simple. Plastics go into their own separate grades and are baled as a separate grade, and cardboards and papers are baled separately. So all the waste comes through, the guys will go through it, they'll sort it. General waste will be put wherever it needs to go, or if it needs to be composted, it would go for composting. And yes, the rest gets baled on the 2 different baling machines, one for plastic and one for cardboard. Besides, the piece of land that it sits on is about 38 hectares, and you have about 164,000 of that under roof, which will act as the actual DC itself. This DC will accommodate for 50% more than what they actually could do before. So yes, it's quite a big site. We're expecting volumes anything between 80 and 100 tons, both paper and cardboard and plastic combined. So if you had to ask me, I'd say this is the perfect example of a circular economy. And the reason I say that is all the cardboard that's brought to the back, to the waste area, that's processed here and baled, is sent to one of our mills. Thereafter, it's turned into paper and then turned back into cardboard, which is then sold back to Pick n Pay in terms of them buying their stock coming in. So that's a full closed loop. I mean, from the back all the way back into the front door. You don't get anything better than that. Like I say, perfect example of a circular economy. So we offer a holistic waste management solution. And that means the client as Pick n Pay would deal with one person that runs everything from the general waste to the hazardous waste to food waste disposals, as well as the recycling. With this site in particular, our drive is to go zero waste to landfill. A site like this could generate an income from the waste. If it's managed properly, it definitely could be. This site in particular, if the volumes are as we predict, it will cover the full waste management cost from us, as well as will bring them through an income. We've been doing this for in excess of probably on to our 16th, 17th year now. So we've gained a lot of experience and a wealth of knowledge. We run most of South Africa's largest retailers, DCs, nationally. We come in with experience, professionalism and sustainable solutions. One of the things that sets us apart from our competitors is we like to create a partnership with our customer. It's not just the customer, and we don't just want to be the guy at the back. So wherever we can, if we allow that opportunity, we always encourage creating a partnership with our clients. So yes, we're here to walk the long road. Our approach is quite hands-on. From the get-go, we sit with the client, understand their needs, and then try and tailor-make a waste solution for those needs. And we try and make it as cost-effective as possible. We are helping one of South Africa's largest retailers to achieve their sustainability goals.